Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add URL redirection in Shopify. So for that you need to be logged into your Shopify account as you see. So let's say I have this page which I want to redirect to this one, the existing page, and this is a 404 URL. So go to your online store. Under online store, click on navigation, then view URL redirects, create URL redirect, and add this slug, this one, to, from, and this one to. So you are redirecting from this to this. Save the redirect. So Shopify is going to take few seconds to actually apply this one. So let's wait for a few seconds and then we can hard refresh the page and the redirection will be working fine. So I'd like to add a point here. If you have the URL which is not a 404, the redirection is not gonna be working. So the URL should be 404 in order to work for the redirection. Let's go back to the page and hard refresh it. There you see. So if I put this URL, let's say again I'm going to show you and registration, and I enter this one, so it's going to be automatically redirected to this page. That's all for the redirection.